Hello my dear students, this is the our exercise 12.1. Question 1. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. First one is, what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? Students, girl to boys. It means what we have to write in a denominator? Boys. See, how you have to identify students? First one is how many girls? First write over here girls is equal to 20, boys is equal to 15. Now first we have to find girls to boy. Girls is to boys. Okay, so here girls is means 20, boys is means 15. Clear students, how to write girls to boys? So first you have to write girls and then boys. Okay, if you seen the ratio, okay, introduction video, then it is easy for you. Okay, here we are writing ratio. Ratio means we have to make the comparison. So here 20 is to 15. Now we have to cut into minimum like a fraction. If you are not able to identify like this way, then you have to write 20 by 15. Now you know how to make the fraction into simplest form. So here 4 5s are 20, here 3 5s are 15. 5 5 cut. What is the remaining? 4 is to 3. Whenever 20 is there, just write 4. 15 is there, write 3. But if you want to do like this way horizontally, then again here same thing. 4 5s are 20 is to 3 5s are 15. Okay, both are same in both the side. So here 4 is to 3. This is our answer. Clear student? Now B. What is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class? Okay, girls to class. What we have to write students over here? Girls to the total student. Girls we know. How many girls? 20 girls. Total students are how many students? Total it means boys plus girls. So here total students is equal to boys plus girls. How many boys? 20 plus girls 15. It means 35 students. So here we have to find 20 is to 35. Now check, any common multiple is there? Yes, 5 5, because both are divisible by 5. You have to identify 4 5s are 20, 7 5s are 35. Which one is a common? 5 5, cut it. What is the remaining? 4 is to 7. Here is 2 sign. Okay, so 4 is to 7. This is our answer. Very easy students, same like a fraction we have to do here. Now question number 2. Out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket and remaining like tennis. Find the ratio. Here again we have to find the ratio. Total students how many? Right over here total is equal to 30 students. Okay, how many students like football? So here write football is equal to 6 students. How many like the cricket? 12. Okay, so write the cricket is equal to 12 students. Okay, remaining like the tennis. So for the tennis, we have to find the answer. So for tennis it means 30 minus 6 plus 12. Okay, so from the total students we subtract how many like football and cricket, then we will get the answer of the tennis. So here 30 minus 6 plus 12, it's the 18. Okay, so how many student like the tennis? Again 12 student. So here write the 12 students. Okay, now we will solve the down one questions. What is the first? A number of students liking the football to number of students liking tennis. Very easy, football to tennis. Right over here, football to tennis. Very easy. How many students like football? 6 is to tennis 12. 6 is to 12. Very easy. 6 ones are 6 is to 6 twos are 12. 6 6 cut. What is the ratio? 1 is to 2. Understood? Same like B. Number of students liking cricket to total number of students. So here you have to write cricket is to total student. So how many students like cricket? 12 students. 12 is to total students how many? 30. So here 30. 12 is to 30. Find out the common multiple. Yes, 3s are. 4 3s are 12 is to 10 3s are 30. 3 3 cut. What is the remaining? 4 is to 10. Again, both are the even numbers, so this is a divisible by 2. If here directly you can identify 6, then it's good bit. Okay, so now again 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Same like fraction students, we have to cut it to minimum. We have to write as a simplest form. Okay, 2 2 cut. What is the remaining? 2 is to 5. This is our answer. Understood? So you have to write in your notebook like these were students. Very easy chapter it is. Okay, now question number 3. See the figure and find the ratio. Here just we have to observe the figure and we have to find the ratio. Number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. Okay, triangles to circles. So how many triangles? 1, 2 and 3. So number of triangles to the circle. So triangles to the circle. You have to write properly students. I am writing in short. Okay, and you have to try this by yourself. So how many triangle? 3. How many circles? 2. So this is ratio 3 is to 2. Understood? But you have to write full. Triangle is to circle. So triangle 1 2 3, circle 1 and 2. Number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle. Number of squares to all the figures. So total how many figures? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. And how many squares? 2. So here you have to write square is to total figure. Okay, so how many square? 2. Total figure 7. 2 is to 7. Very easy. Number of circles to all. How many number of circles? 2. So same, it is a 2 is to 7. All figures are 7. Total figure 7. So here you have to write circle to total figure. I wrote over here in a short students. You have to write properly in your notebook. Thank you.